for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, power moonroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.